How to fix no comments yet on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and then open the comments section of the post where you want to view the comments. Now pull down on the screen in order to reload the comments and see if that fixes your issue. If not, go back to your home screen and launch the Settings application and tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between networks. That is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. The next fix is go ahead and open Instagram again and then force quit Instagram along with all the apps running in the background. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then open Instagram again and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for comments. Under the How Others Can Interact with You tab, tap on the Comments option and then tap on the Who Can Comment tab and then tap on Posts and Reels. Here, make sure the Off Radio button is not selected, so make sure it is selected to your followers or people you follow back. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can also try to completely delete Instagram from your device and then reinstall the app from your app store, as this will clear app glitches. And if nothing fixes your issue, you can go ahead and check the server issues, as sometimes Instagram servers may have outages leading to no comments showing. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix no comments yet on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.